At CDG Inspection, we lead the way as one of the most trusted testing laboratories worldwide. M1728-2012 plus A1-2013 defines the European standard for assessing the strength, durability, and safety of seating furniture. Manufacturers and importers worldwide rely on this standard to meet industry regulations and ensure product quality. Our testing guarantees that furniture meets rigorous safety standards, protecting end users and building trust in your brand. We simulate real-world usage conditions, testing the durability and load-bearing capacity of seating furniture over time. Our laboratory tests a wide range of seating furniture, from office chairs to outdoor seating. Equipped with advanced testing machinery, CDG Inspection ensures accurate, reliable results every time. We offer tailored testing solutions to meet your unique product specifications. Our testing results are recognized globally, ensuring your furniture meets international market standards. We also support manufacturers in creating sustainable, long-lasting furniture for an eco-friendly future. At CDG Inspection, we understand the importance of speed. That's why we deliver fast, accurate testing reports. We work closely with furniture manufacturers to enhance product designs and meet market demands. Our detailed reports provide insights to improve product design and quality. Top furniture brands trust CDG Inspection for our expertise and professionalism. Visit us at www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today.